In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Frigidaire washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so resetting your Frigidaire washing machine can resolve various issues such as error codes, unresponsiveness, or cycles that won't start or complete. So we've got a couple of different ways how to fix this. So method one is going to be works for most models, and this is called a power cycle reset. So we want to go ahead and unplug the washer from the power outlet switch off the circuit breaker supplying the power to the washer, and then we need to wait at least 5 minutes to allow any residual power to dissipate. Then simply plug the washer back in or turn the circuit breaker back on. From there, turn on the washer and select a cycle to test its operation. This method is super effective for clearing minor glitches and restoring normal functionality. Alright, and method 2, which is for top load models, a control panel reset. So press and hold the cancel button on the control panel for 10 seconds. Release the cancel button and immediately press the start button. Hold the start button for 10 seconds, then release it. The washer should reboot and be ready to use. This method is suitable for top load models and can help reset the machine's control board.